Stop. Right now, if you're making just one of these 5 mistakes, you're flushing your future down the drain. Most people make all 5 and stay broke forever. I've seen it destroy families, crush dreams, and trap good people in paycheck to paycheck hell for decades. But in the next minutes, I'm dropping the exact proof and the simple 3-step fix that flips the script. Stay with me, this one might hurt, but it will save you. Let's be real, you work hard. You're smart. But your bank account still looks sick. Why? Because these mistakes feel normal. Everyone's doing them. Mistake number 1, lifestyle creep. You get a raise, and suddenly your car, apartment, and vacations all get more expensive. Same result, zero savings. Mistake number 2, treating credit cards like free money. Minimum payments only, that's financial suicide. Banks are laughing while you pay them 20 to 30% interest. Mistake number 3, no emergency fund. One broken car, medical bill, or job loss and you're spiraling into debt. Most people are one emergency away from broke. Mistake number 4, zero investing. You think, I'll start when I have more money. Newsflash, time is the real money. Every year you wait costs you hundreds of thousands later. Mistake number 5, following bad advice. TikTok gurus, get rich quick apps, or your broke friend's stock tips. You're gambling your future on noise. It's not your fault. Schools don't teach this, society pushes spending, but if you keep doing what everyone else does, you'll keep getting what everyone else gets, broke. Here's the truth that changed everything for me and thousands of others. You don't need more money, you need to stop leaking it. I went from negative net worth to financial freedom by fixing these exact 5 leaks. Proof? Compound interest. If you waste $300 a month on dumb spending, that's only $10 a day. An 8% average return over 30 years, that's over $400,000 gone. One mistake. $500,000. Every single one of these mistakes is a silent wealth destroyer, but here's the good news, fixing them is simpler than you think. Pattern interrupt. Quick question, which of these 5 is costing you the most right now? Comment the number below. I read them all. Here's your simple 3-step escape plan. Do this and you'll break the cycle. Step 1, the money audit. Do this today. Open your bank and credit card statements, look at the last 30 days. Track every single dollar. Categorize it. Needs. Wants. Stupid. Be brutally honest. Most people discover they're bleeding $500 to $1,000 a month without realizing it. Step 2, build your freedom number. Calculate exactly what you need to survive 3 to 6 months with zero income. That's your emergency fund target. Start with $1,000. Then aim for $5,000. Automate transfers the day you get paid. Pay yourself first, always. Step 3, attack debt and invest the difference. List all your debts, pay off the highest interest ones first. This is called the avalanche method. Once you're debt-free, or close to it, redirect that money, stop wasting it on payments, put it into low-cost index funds. Think of it like this, your future self is the boss, current you is just the employee. Your job is to send the money up and keep sentences simple, keep actions clear. No fluff, this works. Imagine this, you wake up with money in the bank. No stress when the car breaks. Investments growing while you sleep. A freedom to say no to jobs you hate. That life is waiting on the other side of these 5 fixes. Most people won't do it. They'll watch this video, feel motivated for 10 minutes, then go back to the same habits. Don't be most people. Your one task today, open your bank app right now, find one leak from the 5 mistakes, cut it. Message me what you cut, I want to see it. If you want more money body scripts that actually make you rich, smash the like button, subscribe, turn on notifications. Drop your biggest money mistake in the comments. Let's fix it together. See you in the next one. Stay dangerous with your money.